Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock Sea Skimmer Biomod in Subnautica 2. First things first, let's use the life pod as our starting point. What you'll want to do is check the compass at the top and head toward 150 degrees southeast. Eventually, you'll come across this wrecked base, which is one of the first major locations you'll encounter while exploring near your life pod. Once you enter the base, you'll immediately notice this biomod machine. If you head further inside, you'll see that the base requires a battery to power back on. That means before we can use the biomod machine, we first need to craft a basic battery. We already have a video on the channel covering how to make a basic battery, so make sure to check that out first. Once you've crafted the battery, place it into the battery socket and the base should power back up. After that, you can now interact with the biomod machine. If you look under the passive tab, you'll see the Sea Skimmer Biomod available for use. What this biomod does is give you a significant speed boost whenever you're swimming close to the ocean floor. This becomes extremely useful when traveling from point to point without needing to use a traversal vehicle. And that's how to unlock Sea Skimmer Biomod in Subnautica 2. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.